Yes, good morning. Please join immediately. Joined only 30 members. Kindly inform to your friends.
Sir,
Yeah,
if possible, once can you explain the T1 and T2 sum, sir? Persons and time, sir. Yesterday you said the answer 144.
permutation example.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That 11th question.
Yeah, wait. Lakshmi Bhavani up to 11, Nana. Any problem? Lakshmi Bhavani. Any issue, Nana? Okay, good. Yeah, permutation. So wait 1 minute, psycho. Okay. 11th example, Anna. Yes, permutations, please. Okay. Please. Here, 11th problem. Topic name permutations, combinations, number concept. That example, Anna. Here, 11th example. Okay. 11th example, 6 task and 6 persons, Nana. Please. Here, 6 task and 6 persons. Okay, 6 persons, Nana. This example important, but answer 144, Nana. Method, Nana, easy. Please check your question meaning. P1 and P2 does not do task T1, Nana. A total 6 task T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. 6 task. Okay. First statement, P1 and P2, Nana. P1 and P2 does not do task T1, Amma. The task T1, here P1 and P2, these two persons are not possible, Nana. P1, P2 are not possible. Remaining total 6 persons, P1, P2 not possible. Remaining possibilities 4 persons, Nana, and 4 ways. The P3, P4, P5, P6, 4 possibilities, Nana. The T1 possibilities only 6 persons, Nana. Here next to T2, Sorry, T2. Please, Nana. Wait 1 minute, please, Nana. Yes, yes, please wait 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. But task 2 one.
వీళ్ళు దొరుకుతా ఇల్లు దొరుకుతా ఆ ఇంట్లో పరిస్థితి నీ పాత అటు పెట్టుకొని ఇల్లు దొరుకుతా వాటిని దొరుకుతానంటావు
A task, no, task 2 is assigned P3 or P4. This is important, Nana.
ఆ ఊడుతారులే ఊడిచి నాకు ఈ పిల్లలు వచ్చినప్పుడు అప్పుడు చూసి సరే సరే బయలుదేరుతుంది అదే క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది అయిపోయినాక
Okay, right. Nana, please listen. Important. Here this example important only second point, Nana. A task 2 is assigned P3 or P4, either or, and anyone is possible, amma. The P3 or P4 means 2 persons possible, 2 ways, Nana. Next, in task 2, P3 or P4, only one person completed. P3 or P4, only one person completed in task 2. But task 1, P1, P2 not possible. Next, P3 or P4, here already one person completed. Here one person completed, P1, P2 not possible, 3 persons completed. Remaining possibilities only 3. This is important, amma. Once again, task 2, either P3 or P4, anyone only possible. A P3 or P4, 2 persons possible, 2 ways, Nana. In a task 2, one person completed. But task 1, P1, P2 not possible, and task 2, one person completed. Total 3 persons completed. Remaining possibilities only 3. A remaining part very simple. Task 1, one person completed. Task 2, another person completed. Total 6 persons, 2 persons completed. Remaining possibilities only 4. A remaining possibilities 3. Remaining possibilities 2. Remaining possibilities 1. This is complete product. That is our answer. Okay. Once again, all of you listen. Easy method. Here important only task 2 only important. Task 2 assigned P3 or P4. And 2 persons possible means 2 ways. In task 2, one person completed, but task 1 does not do P1 and P2, and P1 not possible, P2 not possible. In P3 or P4, one person not possible. Total 3 persons completed. Remaining possibilities only 3. Yeah, next to task 1, task 2, 2 persons completed. Next 4 possibilities, 3 possibilities, 2 possibilities, 1 possibility. That is our answer. Okay, na? Ram Subhash. Yes, clear this problem solution?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. What about others, Nana? Okay, na? This problem method? Using boxes concept, using number concept, amma. Using number concept. Anuya, this question is permutations, combinations, and permutations and combinations. 11th example, Anna. Already that PPT I forwarded to your WhatsApp group. Your question number 11th, topic name permutations and combinations. 6 task and 6 persons. That problem solution, Anna. Okay, Kotapati Anuya. Okay, na? Yes, please respond. Yes, okay. Yes, Nana, please joined. Already joined only 38 members.
Sir, we got only one PPT, but we didn't get any PPT after that.
No, ask your ask your friends, Nana. I forwarded 2 PPTs, one from permutations combinations, other from calendar. I forwarded 2 PPTs. Okay, Anuya, Kotapati. I forwarded only 2 PPTs. One is permutations combinations only. Second,
Okay, sir.
calendar.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
we have, sir.
Okay, good. ఎస్ రామ్ సుభాష్ నన్ను మళ్ళీ వన్స్ అగైన్ మీరు మీ గ్రూప్లో పోస్ట్ చేయండి పర్ముటేషన్స్ కాంబినేషన్స్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ క్యాలెండర్ దట్ 2 PPTs వన్స్ అగైన్ యూ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఓకే ఎస్ గుడ్ ఓకేనా ఎనీ డౌట్స్ నానా 38 only, 39. Good, good. Yes, any more doubts, Nana? Okay, good. No issue, Nana. No problem. Right. Nana, 15 minutes over, but joined only 39 members only. 44. Yes, what about others? Okay, shall I continue the session, Nana? Already 15 minutes over. That's why. Okay, I will start the session, Nana. Right. Okay, good, good. Right, Nana. I think yesterday completed topic name probability. Yesterday completed probability. Only 4 examples, I think. Here, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. I think coins concept, dices concept completed. Your next heading cards concept, Nana. Okay, right, please. Easy, but already permutations, already probability completed. Other than permutations and combinations, Nana. Okay, yes, please, Nana. Right, note information, Nana. Please write note. Note information about the cards. Please write note. Please write note information about the cards. Note information about the cards. Then first point, total 52 cards without joker, Nana. Total 52 cards without joker. Suppose 53 cards means here one joker. 52 plus means joker cards, Nana. 52 exactly cards without joker. 52 plus cards are called joker cards, Nana. That is not considered your exam. Okay, right. Next, Nana. 52 cards is equal to 26 red color, 26 black color. 26 plus 26, Nana. First point. Second point, number 2. Honor cards or figure cards. Both are same meaning, Nana. Honor cards or figure cards is equal to 16. In bracket for A. A is also figure card. A comma K comma Q comma J. 4 into 4, 16. A card, king card, ace card, king card, queen card, jack. Here 16 figure cards, Nana. Figure card is also called honor card. Both are same meaning. Next, third point. Digit card or number card. Digit card or number card. Remaining 36. In bracket 2 to 10. Each card 4 times. 9 into 4, 36. 2, 3, 4, and so on 10. Next, fourth point. 13 diamond, 13 diamond, 13 heart, next 13 spade, next 13 club, 13 club. Here 13 into 4, 52. Diamond cards 13, heart HEART 13. A diamond and heart red color. Next spade and club black color. Total 26 plus 26, Nana. Once again, information about the cards. Total 52 cards, 26 plus 26. Figure cards 16. A is also figure card. Digit card 36. Diamond 13. Heart 13. Spade 13. Club 13. A next 26 red color. Diamond and heart red color. Spade and club 13. 13 plus 13, 26 black color. A next last point, suppose four king cards. Four king cards means two are red color, two are black color. Here four king cards, two are red color, two are black color. This is about information about the cards, Nana. I think only one question. MCAT based companies, that question belongs to only cards concept number. Okay, this is only this information only important to your exam. Yeah, next coming to the example, from a pack of 52 cards, two cards are drawn at random. Find the probability that. Here, all these questions, Nana, all these questions, n of s is constant. N of s total number of selections, total number of cards 52, or we choose only two cards, R value 2, then n of s 52c2, n of s 52c2. This is constant. Here, first example, both the aces means a cards is equal to only 4. We choose two cards. Then answer 4c2 divisible by 52c2. First example solution. Second example, here and means multiplication. Here exactly one king, total four king cards. We choose only one. Other from queen and 4c1 into 4c1 divisible by 52c2. And means multiplication. Next, or indicate union. You check the common card. King and queen, there is no common card. Then or indicate plus operator, because there is no common card. Here exactly either both are king. Both means is equal to 2. And four two king cards, two queen cards, or indicate plus operator. 4c2 plus 4c2 divisible by 52c2. Next, no digit card means figure card. Total we have 16 figure cards. Then 16c2 divisible by 52c2. No honor card means number card. Total we have 36 number cards. Then answer 36c2 divisible by 52c2. Very easy concept. Your cards concept very simple. Just information about the cards, that is enough to prepare cards concept. All these questions, n of s is a constant, 52c2. Just you calculate only combination. Here 4c2, 4c1 into 4c1. Here 4c2 plus 4c2, 16c2, 36c2. These are perfect answers of fifth example solution. Okay, right. Next, sixth example, please important. A sixth example important. Please, all of you listen. This model important to your exam. A same as defective and defective concept. A example: a man and his wife appear in an interview for two vacancies. If the probability of husband selection is 1 by 7 and the probability of wife selection is 1 by 5, find the probability that only one of them selected. Only one of them selected, amma. Your method is in Anna. Suppose P of A and P of A assumption, P of A husband selection is equal to 1 by 7. Next, P of A complement, A selected, A complement means none selected, not selected is equal to 6 by 7. Similarly, wife selection, P of B is equal to 1 by 5. Wife not selection, P of B complement is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Here question is only one of them selected. Only one of them selected is equal to, suppose husband selected, then wife not selected, not means B complement, or next or suppose wife selected, next husband not selected. Yes, this is important to your exam. Here only one of them selected, only one of them selected, husband selected, wife not selected, only one person only selected. Otherwise, wife selected, husband not selected. Here or indicate wife and husband, there is no common person, then or indicate plus operator. The next to substitute P of A. P of A 1 by 7. P of B complement 4 by 5 or indicate plus operator. Here P of B is equal to 1 by 5. A complement is equal to 6 by 7. A total is equal to 10 by 35. A 10 by 35 is equal to 2 by 7. Option B only correct. A 2 by 7 only correct. B only correct. This is very, very important to your exam. Same application. Here, same application, a defective non-defective concept. If defective 1 by 7, non-defective 1 minus 1 by 7 is selected, not selected, applicable only complement logic. But you read the problem, only one of them selected, and wife selected, husband not selected, husband selected, wife not selected. Just to consider only complement condition, that is your answer. Okay. Yes, now note number next note. Next note number note. First point, first point, both of them selected is equal to, both of them selected is equal to P of A into P of B. Both means multiplication. Both of them selected is equal to, both indicate multiplication, P of A into P of B. Second point, none of them selected, none of them selected is equal to P of A complement into P of B complement. P of A complement into P of B complement. At least one of them selected, at least one of them selected is equal to 1 minus P of A into P of B. 1 minus P of A into P of B. Once again, please all of you listen. These rules only important by using complement function. Here first one, only one of them selected, P of A into P of B complement, P of B into P of A complement. Both of them selected, none of them selected, at least one of them selected. These models only important to your exam. These models only important to your exam. Okay, right, Nana. Next, seventh example, Amma, please. Apply same logic, Nana, please. Seventh, seventh, what is the answer, Nana? Seventh, what is the answer? Seventh, what is the answer, Nana? Yes, seventh, what is the answer, Nana? Seventh example, what is the answer? Same logic. Same logic. Seventh example, what is the answer? Seventh example, what is the answer? Seventh example, what is the answer? Same. Here, only one of them will hit the target. One of them is the target. Same, but here three conditions. Right method, P of A into P of B complement into P of C complement plus P of B into P of A complement into P of C complement plus P of C into P of A complement into P of B complement. Here P of A 3 by 5, B 1 by 3, C 2 by 5. Just to apply the method, here consider three variables A, B, C. Here P of A into P of B complement, P of C complement, P of B into P of A complement into P of C complement, P of C into P of A complement into P of B complement. I think answer is equal to 32/75. Option D only correct. Okay. Seventh example answer option D. Option D only correct. Using same logic here, only one target, either two variables or three variables. Just to apply the above concept, if you apply above concept, that is your answer. Here both of them selected, both of them hit the target, none of them hit the target, at least one of them hit the target, only one of them hit the target. Just you apply that methods perfectly, that is your answer. This model important to your exam. Okay. Yes, Nana. Next, eighth one and ninth one, Anna. Yes, please. All of you listen. Easy method. Anna, ninth, eighth one and ninth one, Anna. Eighth one, that model already completed. Your question is the probability that all of them are of same color. Already that model completed. Different color indicate multiplication. Same color indicate addition symbol. Please write note. Notation note. Here all are different color. All are different color means multiplication operator. All are same color addition operator. Your method is all are different color. That means 4C3. Next 5C3. Next 6C3 divisible by total n of s, total number of selections, total number of selections 15, 15C3, 15C. This is called probability. Easy method. Once again, all of you listen. A simple concept, balls concept. Just you apply the operator. Different color indicate multiplication. Same color indicate addition symbol. This question is belongs to same color. Then you apply the addition operator. Yeah, that means 4C3 plus 5C3 plus 6C3 divisible by total number of balls. 4 plus 5 plus 6, total 15 balls. We choose 3 and 15C3. This is called probability. Eighth example, probability 4C3 plus 5C3 plus 6C3 divisible by 15C3. That is our answer, Nana. Okay. Yes. Ninth example, Amma. What is the answer, Nana? A remaining part only simplification. Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer, Nana? Ninth example. What is the answer? Ninth. What is the answer? A remaining part only simplification, Amma. Okay. Right. Yeah, next ninth example, Amma. Ninth example important, Amma. Last example. Ninth example important. Yes, please. All of you listen. Ninth one important. Important. Here there are two boxes, Nana. There are two boxes. First box and second box, Nana. And A box and B box, Nana. First calculate probability of box selection. This is important. But above example, only one bag. One bag is given. No need to calculate probability because probability one bag only one. But here two boxes are given. First calculate probability of box selection. The probability of A bag selection. Probability of A bag selection is equal to 1 by 2 because here A bag is equal to 1. Denominator total number of boxes AB, two boxes. Probability of A box selection is equal to 1 by 2, Nana. A next condition, Anna, condition. Amar draws a ball from each bag randomly. What is the probability that both the balls are red color, Amma? Both the balls are red color, Anna. Here box A red color is equal to 3. Box A red color is equal to 3. Denominator total number of balls is equal to 7. That is called a probability of box A is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. Similarly, probability of box B selection 1 by 2. And next, red ball selection. Here, red ball selection, box B contains 5 red balls. Numerator is equal to 5. Denominator total number of balls 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Here, next, 1 by 2 is common. Here, remaining is equal to 1 by 2 is common. Next, 1 by 2 is common is equal to 8 by 7. 8 by 7 means 1 by 2 into 8 by 7 is equal to 4 by 7. Option B only correct. This is important to your exam, but directly 3 by 7 plus 5 by 7. 8 by 7 is not correct. That is not correct method. 8 by 7 is not correct method. Once again, all of you listen. This model important to your exam. This model important to your exam. First, here the two boxes, these two are independent. A box separated and B box separated. And the probability of box A selection 1 by 2. Probability of box B selection 1 by 2. Next, to find the red ball selection. A total 3 red balls. We choose only one, and both are red color. The box A red color, box B red color. 1 plus 1 2 balls. Then 3C1 divisible by 7C1. 5C1 divisible by 7C1. 5C1 is equal to 5. 7C1 is equal to 7. Then answer 1 by 2 into 3 by 7. 1 by 2 into 5 by 7. 1 by 2 into 8 by 7. 4 by 7. Option B only correct. Ninth example, option B, Nana. Okay. Yes, once again, all of you listen, Nana. Easy. A probability also completed, but already probability completed. Probability in permutations, probability in combinations. The topic already completed. Other than permutations and combinations, just you concentrate these examples perfectly, then enough to prepare your exam. Once again, all of you check the solutions. Ninth one important for 4 by 7. Eighth one also important. This problem depending only two statements, either different color or same color. Eighth one, Nana. Next, seventh one also important, but sixth model important. Again, you have to remember these rules compulsory, because these questions are depending only these rules. If you know these rules perfectly, then defective and defective concept also completed. In what, Nana? What, Nana? Hello? Right. Okay. Next, fifth one, Nana. Fifth one, chords concept. Important only rules, only important problems are very simple, Nana. Yeah, next, fourth one already completed. A third one completed. Second one, a odd days concept. Ordinary year 1 by 7, leap year 2 by 7. First one, coins concept. Then probability completed. Once again, all of you listen. I covered permutations, combinations, and probability, including practice questions also. I covered complete this chapter. This is one of the most important topic in aptitude. A minimum 3 marks, maximum 5 marks in your exam. You may write any competitive exam, maximum marks will come from only permutations, combinations, and probability. Yes, covered, Amma. Okay. Yes, any doubts, Nana, regarding this chapter? Yes, please respond. Hello. Okay. Clear. Okay, na? Right. Very good, Nana. మా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే లాస్ట్ అడగండి, మళ్ళీ క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ యాప్టిట్యూడ్. ఐఎమ్ హియర్. ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యాప్టిట్యూడ్. 100% I will clarify your doubts, Nana, either personally or in our session. Okay, right. The next topic heading, Nana. Right. Next important topic, time and work, Nana. Easy topic, Nana. But first we concentrate major topics in quantitative ability, major topics, permutations, combinations, and probability, time, distance, and speed. Next target the chapter, time and work, ratio and proportion, number system. These are very, very important topics. You may write any competitive exam, maximum questions will come from only these topics in quantitative aptitude, Nana. Okay, right. Next heading, Nana. Time and work, easy topic, Nana. A 1 hour session, 1 hour enough, Nana. Yes, heading time and work, in bracket 2 marks in your exam. Right, Nana? In bracket 2 marks. Easy topic. Your formulas are not applicable. This topic depending only one concept. If you know that concept, then time and work completed. There is no formulas here. Questions are based on only simplification and logic. Your questions are based on only simplification part, but very very important. A TCS Ninja 2 marks guarantee. 2 marks only time and work concept nana. Not only TCS Ninja, you may write any placement exam minimum 2 marks only time and work concept. Important and easy topic. Okay, right amma. The next side heading concept of the topic nana. Right, first point, note 1, work is inversely proportional to the time. Work is inversely proportional to the time. Work is inversely proportional to the time. Inverse means number of persons increases, time decreases. Number of persons decreases, time increases. That property is called inverse application. Inverse application. Okay, right. Second point, number 2. If A alone can do A, if A alone can do A, work in work in 10 days, work in 10 days, then A one day work, A one day work is equal to 1 by 10. A alone can do A work in 10 days, then A one day work 1 by 10. This is called logic of the topic, Nana. Okay? Yes, please. Just 1 minute, Nama. There is no formulas here, Nana. Please. Only one formula, that is only chain rule formula. That is very popular formula. Using that formula in your exam 1 mark. Remaining questions are depending only concept of the topic, Nana. Okay? Right, please. Your method is in Nana. Suppose Nana, A work 10 days and B work 15 days. Here calculate A plus B, Nana. This type of questions are belongs to time and work, Nana. A work 10 days, B work 15 days. Find out A plus B, Nana. A plus B is nothing but 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 25 is not correct, Amma. Reason, if number of persons increases, time is decreases, but time increases. That is not a inverse application. Don't calculate that method. Your method, the type of questions are given. A work 10 days, find A one day work, and B work 15 days, B one day work. Then calculate A plus B. That is your answer. This is about time and work concept. First target all the statements are convert into a inverse method. Next to apply the operator either addition or minus. That is your answer. Once again, time and work, the type of questions are given in your exam. First target all the statements are convert into a inverse method. Next to apply the operator plus or minus. That is your answer. This topic depending only operator, either plus operator or minus operator. Okay, this is about time and work, Nana. Easy concept. Okay, na? Right. Next, Nana. Side heading examples, Nana, please. Side heading examples, Nana. Okay, first type 1, easy topic, Nana. Simple topic, 2 marks, Nana. But definitely 2 marks guarantee. Even gate examination also, one question belongs to only time and work, only one bit, Nana. One bit only time and work concept. Okay, na? Yes, Nana. Please listen. Your method, A alone can do a piece of a work in 10 days and B in 15 days, Nana. In how many days both working together will finish the work? A together means A plus B, Nana. A directly, no need to write A one day work, B one day work. Don't waste your time. We want short procedure. Then apply one statement. Your first statement convert into a inverse method. A one day work is equal to 1 by 10. Second statement convert into a inverse method. One day work is equal to 1 by 15. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Your LCM is equal to 30. Just using only LCM 30. The numerator is equal to 3 plus 2. Your 5 by 30 is equal to 1 by 6. And A plus B can completed 1 day work. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. Then whole work is equal to 6 days. Option B only correct. This is the method. Only single step answer. No need to write theory information that is not required. Time and work, the type of questions are given. All the statements are converted into a inverse method. Next to apply the operator, that is your answer. Here 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, 1 by 6. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. Whole work is equal to 6 days. Option B only correct. Okay. Yes, Nana. Yes, second. Second, Amma. Second. Second. And C and A in 36 days now. That is printing mistake. Yes, please. Yes, all of you solve the problem. Speed here. My duty completed here. My part completed here. Pending only your part only, please. Just one question, only 1 minute. Speed calculations only important here. మనం మీరు ఎంత స్పీడ్ చేస్తే అంత స్పీడ్గా మీకు జాబ్ వస్తుంది. ఇయర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓన్లీ లాజిక్ అండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఎస్ ప్లీజ్. ఎస్, నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, జస్ట్ యు అటాక్ ద ఎగ్జాక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. ఎస్, స్పీడ్. One question, only 1 minute, that is your target. Yes, improve your speed. Question to question, improve your speed. Yes, improve your speed. Improve your speed. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Easy. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, speed nana, easy topic కదా. ఏమైంది? What happened? Second example, what is the answer? Second example, what is the answer? Please, all of you solve the problem. చేయండి ప్లీజ్. మీరు చేస్తేనే టెస్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతారు. మీరు ఎగ్జామ్లో క్వశ్చన్ చూస్తే ఈజీనే ఉంటుంది. మీరు పెన్ అప్లై చేయండి, రాదు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్. ప్లీజ్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. Multiple choice based questions only. You have to select the option. Yes, please, all of you. Speed. Nana, important Nana. Even important questions. Nana, you want first statement Nana. First statement A plus B Nana. Second statement B plus C. Third statement C plus A. A plus B 1 day work 1 by 18. B plus C 1 day work 1 by 24. C plus A 1 day work 1 by 36. LCM is equal to 72. Numerator is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 8. But LHS 2 in bracket A plus B plus C. But calculate only A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 16. 1 day work 1 by 16. Whole work 16 days, but not 8. 8 is called 2A plus 2B plus 2C. That is 1 by 8. That option also given, but that is not correct answer. A 2A plus 2B plus 2C. A 2 is common. That answer is equal to 1 by 8. But here calculate only A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 16. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16. Then whole work is equal to 16 days. Option C only correct answer. Okay. And second example, 1 by 8 is not correct answer. 1 by 16 only correct answer. 1 by 16 only correct answer. Okay. Yes, and this is important your exam. Put star mark nana. Here question is how many days altogether? Altogether means calculate only A plus B plus C, but not 2A, 2B, 2C. A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 16. 1 day work 1 by 16. Whole work 16. Option C only correct. Okay. Yes, Nana. Next example number 3. Nana, example number 3. Nana. Write note. Please Nana, note. This problem is belongs to pipes concept. Note. 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 First point, fill indicate FILL. Fill indicate plus operator fill indicate plus operator empty or leakage empty or leakage minus operator pipes concept also using time and work concept, but here important only operator only important. Here fill indicate plus operator fill indicate plus operator empty or leakage indicate minus operator. Here pipe P alone can fill the tank fill indicate plus operator 1 by 5. Second q empty nana q sorry q nana q empty not fill nana q empty in 10 minutes please. Q empty in 10 minutes. Empty means minus operator or also empty means minus operator. Once again, here P pipe only fill the tank, here Q pipe empty the tank, R pipe empty the tank, empty indicate minus operator. Here next part only LCM 30, 5 comma 10 comma 15, LCM only 30. The numerator is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 30. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 30, then whole time is equal to 30 minutes. Option D only correct. If the answer is positive, if the answer is positive, that indicate please fill meaning. If the answer is negative, empty the tank. Here these two this problem depending only two operators. Here plus means minus operator. Sorry, empty means minus operator, plus means plus fill means plus operator. Just you apply the operator, that is your answer. Here pipes and scissors also using same concept. Just you apply only inverse method, 1 by something next LCM, that is your answer. Okay, this model also important to your exam, right? The next fourth example amma, please 1 minute all of you read the problem. Fourth example, 1 minute all of you read the problem. This model important. 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 Okay. Yes, put star mark nana. A fourth example important. Put star mark. This model important to your exam. This model important to your exam. Okay. Yes, please. All of you listen nana. A alone, A comma B and C can do a piece of a work in 20, 30, 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if E is assisted? E means A is assisted by B and C on every third day. Every third day, Nana. Yeah, this question meaning first 2 days working only A person, every third day working 3 persons A, B and C. Every third day. This is called not 3 days. Every third day, single day. Every third day working 3 persons. First 2 days working only A person. This is the problem meaning number. Yeah, next an easy method. First calculate A 2 days work nana. A 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20. Then A 2 days work nana. A 2 days work is equal to 2 into 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by 10 nana. A 1 day work, A 2 days work nana. Next to calculate A plus B plus C third day work. This is called third day, not 3 days. A plus B plus C third day capacity. A 1 day work 1 by 20. B 1 day work 1 by 30. C 1 day work 1 by 60. LCM 60. Numerator 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 10 nana. అంటే A 2 days capacity 1 by 10. A plus B plus C third day capacity is equal to 1 by 10. Total 3 days work. A total 3 days work is equal to a 2 days work is equal to 1 by 10. third day work is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. And next A comma B and C completed 3 days work is equal to 1 by 5. The 1 by 5 of the work completed A, B and C in 3 days. Then one work is dash this. One work is equal to 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Option B only correct. This is the important problem, Nana. Once again, all of you listen. Easy and important. Your question is clearly given. A is assisted by B and C on every third day. Every third day working 3 persons A, B and C. That means first 2 days working only A person. Then A capacity, A 1 day work, A 2 days work. Next A plus B plus C working 3 persons capacity 1 by 10. A total 3 days work, 1 day work, 2 days work 1 by 10, third day work 1 by 10, 3 days work is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 of the work completed 3 days. One work is equal to 15 days. Therefore, total number of days is equal to 15. Option B only correct. This is about fourth example. This is 5-star example. This model only important to placements, Nana. Okay. Yes. Then type 1 completed. Once again, all of you listen. Type 1 questions, Nana. Type 1 only important. Please, Nana. Type 1 only important. AMCAT based companies and COQ based companies. AMCAT based companies and COQ based companies, you have to prepare only type 1. You just to prepare only type 1, that is using plus and minus operator. The type of questions only important to AMCAT and COQ based companies, Nana. Okay, AMCAT and COQ based companies, then first one answer 6, Nana. Then second one answer 16 but not 8. A third one answer 30 pipes concept. Fourth one answer 15. Type 1 completed. Then AMCAT and COQ preparation completed. Okay, type 1 only important to AMCAT and COQ based companies, Nana. Yeah, next heading type number 2, Nana, please.
Sir,
Yeah.
last model
Uh,
for total 3 days work equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 5, right, sir?
yes.
There it's sum of second day and total of on third day, right, sir?
Yes, sum of 2 days plus sum of third day.
The third day is
1 by 10, na?
collaboration of A plus B plus C,
A
right,
plus
sir?
B plus C, right.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, right. Now next second type 2, Nana. Again important to TCS and AMCAT based companies, Nana. Important. In bracket chain rule property, chain rule. Write a method, please write method. M1 into D1 into T1 by W1 is equal to M2 into D2 into T2 by W2. This formula is very important to campus placements, Nana. You may write any placement exam. One question belongs to only type number 2, guarantee. Total 2 marks, Nana. 2 marks no exam. 1 mark type 1, 1 mark type 2 for AMCAT and COQ based companies. For TCS Ninja, type 2 1 mark, type 3 or type 4 1 mark. For TCS company, you prepare only type 2, type 3, type 4. For AMCAT and COQ based companies, you prepare only type 1 and type 2 in time and work concept. Okay, right, Nana. M1 D1 T1 by W1, M2 D2 T2 by W2, Nana. Where M is equal to number of objects or persons. Number of objects or persons. Next D is equal to days. 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 Next T is equal to time. T is equal to time. W is equal to work or total. Work or total. W is equal to work or total. Okay, right. A first example, Anna. 16 men means M1, days means D1. Here calculate how many men, find M2, where D2 is equal to 20 days, Nana. This problem, the relation between M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. above example, time and work constant. Time and work constant. Consider only m1 d1 m2 d2. Remaining terms are cancelled. m1 d1 is equal to m2 d2. m1 is equal to 10. m1 is equal to 16. d1 is equal to 10. Find out m2 where d2 is equal to 20. Then answer m2 is equal to 8. Option C only answer. This is very very important. Formula important. Time and work inverse, right? Only denominator. And m1 d1 t1 is called direct proportion. m2 d2 t2 is called direct proportion. But work men, work days, work time, that is called only inverse application. Inverse means right only denominator. Okay, yes nana. First example amma. Right, second example amma, please. That second example nana. Here first one 10 min. 10 min m1 is equal to 10. A number of ties, number of articles are always considered only work. W1 is equal to 20. Next, D1 is equal to 20 days. And time T1 is equal to 12 hours. M1, D1, T1, W1. Second, calculate is equal to M2, where D2 is equal to M2 is equal to 24, and W2 is equal to 32, and T2 is equal to 16. Write complete right formula. M1 D1 T1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2, M2 D2 T2 by W2. Here M1 is equal to 10, D1 is equal to 12, T1 is equal to 12, W1 is equal to 20. Find M2 is equal to 24. Find D2, where T2 is equal to 16 and W2 is equal to 32. W2 is equal to 32. Your remaining part only simplification. Your method 16 into 1, 16 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 12. Your next 12, 12 cancel. A 10 into 10 into 2, 2 into 6. Therefore, D2 is equal to 6 days. Option B only answer. Here important to only simplification only important. First you write complete formula. M1 D1 T1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 T2 by W2. Next substitution method only important. Here other than MDT, that is called work. Work total or work, that is always consider number of articles. Other than these three terms, that is called work. Okay, then second example answer option B nana. Okay, right. Next third example nana, please. Third example Anna. Yes, please. Third example important. Then type 2 complete Amma. Third example. Third example, please. What is the answer? Third example. Important. Speed just 1 minute only. Nana solve cheyandi. Try cheyandi, please. Try to solve the problem because these examples are very very important to campus placements. My target first priority only campus placements. These examples specially important to only campus placements. Check in Google search also. These models only important to your exam. If you prepare these examples perfectly, then only your placement preparation completed. Placement preparation only completed. Yes, placement preparation only completed. Yes, what is the answer, Nana? Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer, Nana? What is the answer? Just you write formula. మీరు చేయాలి, చేయకపోతే వేస్ట్ నాన్న. Here men consider m1 is equal to x నాన్న. Please all of you. మీరు ఫార్ములా యూనిక్ ఫార్ములా కదా నాన్న. m1 d1 ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా చూడండి. m1 d1 t1 మీకు w1 కూడా అవసరం లేదు కదా. వర్క్ ఉంది సార్. వర్క్ లేదు కదా. m1 d1 t1 m1 d1 is equal to m2 d2 m1 d1 m1 d1 t1 m1 d1 is equal to m2 d2 m2 d2. ప్లీజ్ అమ్మ అందరూ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. మీరు చేయకపోతే నో యూజ్ నానా. మీరు చేయకపోతే నో యూజ్. మీరు అటెండ్ అయినా కూడా వేస్టే కదా నాన్న. ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది టాపిక్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సేమ్ వస్తే మీరు అందరు క్వాలిఫై అవుతారు. సేమ్ రాకుండా క్వాలిఫై కావాలి కదా నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు టీసీఎస్ కంపెనీ, సిటిఎస్ కంపెనీ, విప్రో కంపెనీ, యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది టాపిక్. మీరు ఓపెన్ క్యాంపస్ డ్రైవ్స్కి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ కాన్సెప్ట్, సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ ప్రీవియస్ కంపెనీస్ పేపర్స్ నాన్న. ఈ రెండు ప్రిపేర్ అయితేనే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ టెస్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతారు. ఓన్లీ ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ నాట్ సఫిషియంట్. పేపర్ చేంజ్ అయిందనుకోండి మీ పని అవుట్ ఇక. ప్లీజ్ మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు ఏదైనా ఒకటి చేస్తేనే మీరు టెస్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతారు. మీరు ఏం రాకుంటే నో యూజ్. నేను ఎంతసేపు చెప్పినా కూడా వేస్టే నాన్న. మీరు ట్రై చేయండి ప్లీజ్. మీకు ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మీరు ఏం రాకపోతే అటెండ్ కాకండి. ఎస్ చెప్పండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్? ఎస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ ప్లీజ్? ఎస్ 30 ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్ ప్లీజ్. 30 ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్. నాన్న ఫస్ట్ చూడండి, M1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ నాన్న, D1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 18 డేస్ అన్నాడు. ఓకేనా? M2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నాన్న, M2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 12 కదా. M2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 12, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 12 అమ్మా. ఓకే, M2 ఇయర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ నాన్న. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్ కదా. ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఓన్లీ కరెక్ట్. ఎస్ ఇయర్ ఫార్ములా M1 D1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు M2 D2. అంతే. ఇయర్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ టైప్ నెంబర్ 2 నాన్న. సింపుల్. M1 D1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు M2 D2. బట్ ఆన్సర్ 30. ఆన్సర్ 30. రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్ ఓన్లీ సింప్లిఫికేషన్. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ టైప్ 3 నాన్న. హెడింగ్ టైప్ 3. In a type 3, type 4 important to TCS Ninja, but type 2 also important to TCS Ninja. For TCS Ninja, in time and work only 2 marks. 1 mark type 2, another 1 mark type 3 or type 4. Type 3 or type 4. Okay, 2 marks in TCS Ninja test pattern, but AMCAT based companies that model completed. Type 1, type 2 only AMCAT and COQ based examination, but type 3 only important to TCS Ninja. Type 3 and type 4, another 1 mark type 3 and type 4. Type 3 or type 4 nana. Okay, yes, yes sir. Please all of listen. First exam please nana. Please listen. Method type 3 method. Type 3 in bracket efficiency concept, efficiency method. Efficiency method amma. Please all of listen nana. First example my duty, remaining examples your duty nana. Please, your first example method. A works twice as fast as B. That means A is 2 times efficient than B. That is the meaning nana. If A work is twice as efficient than B, A is equal to 2B nana. But we know that time and work inverse application, A is equal to 1 by 2 into B in bracket work inversely proportional to the time. Must all the statements are convert into a inverse method. Next, second statement, B alone work is 12 days. The A is equal to 1 by 2 into B. B is equal to 12. 1 by 2 into 12 is equal to 6 days nana. 6 days nana. And A work is equal to 6 days. B work is equal to 12 days. Find out A plus B. A 1 day work and B 1 day work. LCM is equal to 12. Numerator is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 4. Whole work is equal to 4 days nana. Option C only correct. Yes, once again, type 3 example. Please, all of you listen. Easy, simple notation. Your important only, first statement only important. Your method, time and work, the type of questions are given. First target, all the statements are convert into a inverse method. Your first statement, A works twice as fast as B. The A is equal to 2B. Work inversely proportional to the time. A is equal to 2 inverse 1 by 2 into B. Now substitute B work is equal to 12 days. That is clearly given. A work is equal to 6 days, but not 24. Sir, A is equal to 2B, 2 into 12, 24. But A work is always less than B work. That is the meaning of first statement. A next to find out A plus B, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 4. Whole work is equal to 4 days. Option C only correct. That is type 3 example method. Okay. Yes, Nana. Yeah, next example, Nana. Next example, Nana. Yes. Speed. Remaining examples, your duty, Nana, please. Remaining examples, your duty. Yes, please. What is the answer? Speed. Yes, speed. Yes, what is the answer? Next example, easy the same method. A first statement, A is equal to, directly consider 1 by 3 into B. 1 by 3 into B. Suppose let A is equal to X, then B is equal to 3X. A is equal to X, B is equal to 3X. Next, and therefore able to finish a job in 30 days less than B. 30 days less than B ante B minus A. B minus A is equal to 30. Here B is equal to 3x. A is equal to X is equal to 30. Here next 2x is equal to 30. X is equal to 15. Where X is equal to 15 means A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 45. Next to calculate A plus B. Yet together is nothing but A plus B. A is equal to 1 by 15. B is equal to 1 by 45. LCM is equal to 45. Numerator is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 45. 1 day work is equal to 4 by 45. Whole work 45 by 4. 45 by 4 is equal to 11 1 by 4. 11 1 by 4. Option C only correct. Very easy method. This model only important to TCS Ninja. For TCS company, third and fourth only important to your exam. But method easy. First statement, A is equal to 1 by 3 into B. Let A is equal to X, B is equal to 3X. Yeah, next second statement, B is, no, no, the second statement, 30 days less than B. That is less than indicate minus operator. B minus A is equal to 30. But time and work result should be positive. Work always positive. Negative does not exist. Here B minus A is equal to 30. Here X is equal to 15. A is equal to 15. B is equal to 45. Here question is find A plus B. Together means A plus B. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 45 is equal to 4 by 45. 1 day work 4 by 45. Whole work 45 by 4. 11 1 by 4. Option C only correct. A remaining part only simplification. That is second example solution, Amma. Okay, right. Next, Nana. Next, third example, Nana. Speed. Third example. 1 minute only. 1 minute only. ఒక స్పీడ్ చేయండి. దయచేసి అందరూ సాల్వ్ చేయండి. మీరు సాల్వ్ చేస్తేనే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ టెస్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతారు. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్, యు మే రైట్ ఎనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఇర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇఫ్ యు ప్రాక్టీస్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ దెన్ ది సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజీ, అదర్వైజ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నాన్న, అదర్వైజ్ కాంప్లెక్స్. Yes, please try to all of you solve the problem, please. Next, I will rectify the problem solution. Please check that method and verify my answer and your answer and find the mistake, my side or your side. Then the subject easy. Yes, please speed. మీరు చెయ్యండి, దయచేసి సాల్వ్ చేయండి. మీరు సాల్వ్ చేస్తేనే టెస్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతారు. మీరు ఎవరు సాల్వ్ చేయట్లేదు. ఓ 1 or 2% మాత్రమే సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు. వాట్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్? ఆల్రెడీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ స్టార్టెడ్. ఆల్రెడీ ప్లేస్మెంట్ స్టార్టెడ్. ప్రజెంట్ మార్కెట్ డిఎక్సి, నెక్స్ట్ క్యాప్జెమ్ని, నెక్స్ట్ సిటిఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ టీసీఎస్. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాబబుల్ డేట్స్, టెంటేటివ్లీ డేట్స్ అనౌన్స్డ్. ఏ పెండింగ్, ఏ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఓన్లీ పెండింగ్. నానా, ప్రిపరేషన్ ఓన్లీ పెండింగ్. మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవుతూనే టెస్ట్ క్లియర్ అవుతారు. ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టెడ్. ఫ్యూ కాలేజ్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టెడ్. ఆస్క్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అబౌట్ క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్. దిస్ ఇయర్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్టెడ్. మీరు స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇంకా చూడండి మీ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఏం లేదు, జీరో ప్రిపరేషన్. Please start your preparation. Don't worry about your academics. You may attempt any service-based company. Minimum aggregate 6.5 CGPA enough. 60% enough. No need to worry about 90%. If you want a job in IT industry, minimum aggregate 60% enough. Don't worry about your academic percentage. You worry about only job with good company, good package. That is your target. That is your target. Yes, what about third question answer, Nana? Yes, third question answer, please. What is the answer? థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ నాన్న. మమ్మీ నేను చెప్పేది మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? హలో, నాన్న ప్లేస్మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయాయి. మీరు చూడండి, మీరు చేస్తే మీరు చెయ్యండి అమ్మా. మీరు ఎందుకంటే నాన్న మీకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయమంటున్నాను. ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను సాల్వ్ చేస్తాను. బట్ యువర్ డ్యూటీ యూ టార్గెట్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ దట్ మోడల్స్. మీరు ఇక్కడ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారనుకోండి, మీ ఎగ్జామ్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ రీజన్. నేనే చెప్తా చూడండి, క్వశ్చన్ టు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలని చెప్తే నాకు తెలుసు ఎలా చెప్పాలను. బట్ మీకు రావాలి కదా నాన్న. మీరు చేస్తేనే మీకు సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది నాన్న. మీరు చేస్తే నో నీడ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ వన్స్ మోర్. నేను చెప్తే మళ్ళీ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ రీజన్. దట్ ఈస్ ద బెనిఫిట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జామ్. మీ ఇష్టం నాన్న. ప్లేస్మెంట్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ అయినాయి. మీరు చేస్తే మీకు జాబ్ వస్తుంది. మీరు ఎవరిని బ్లేమ్ చేయలేరు. మీరు ఎవరిని బ్లేమ్ చేస్తారు చెప్పండి? కాలేజ్ బ్లేమ్ చేస్తారా? ఫ్యాకల్టీ బ్లేమ్ చేస్తారా? ఎవరిని మీరే బ్లేమ్ అవుతారు మార్కెట్లో. మీరు వాడు మీకు 3.6 lakhs ప్యాకేజ్ ఇవ్వాలంటే మీకు ఎంతో కొంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి కదా నాన్న. మీరైతే బ్లైండ్కి ఇస్తారా? అదే మీరు ప్యాకేజ్ మీరు ఇవ్వండి ఇస్తారా మీ దగ్గర ఎంప్లాయీస్కి? ఇవ్వరు కదా. వాడు టెస్ట్ చేస్తాడు, మినిమం నాలెడ్జ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ కదా. బట్ దే వాంట్ ఓన్లీ 60% నాలెడ్జబుల్ స్టూడెంట్స్. వాడు 100% మనకి అవసరం లేదు. 60% నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే వాడు జాబ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఇంతకన్నా మీకు ఏం కావాలి చెప్పండి? మీరు 10th క్లాస్, ఇంటర్మీడియట్, బీటెక్, ఫైనల్ మనకి ఏం కావాలమ్మా? జాబ్ కోసమే కదా నన్ను చూడండి. ఇంత మీరు 10th క్లాస్, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ 10th పాస్ అయ్యారు, స్కూల్ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చారు, మండల్ ఫస్ట్ వచ్చారు, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ 950, 930, చైతన్య, నారాయణ, బీటెక్, ఇవన్నీ దేనికోసం నాన్న? జాబ్ కోసం కదా. ఆ జాబ్ 1 monthలో వస్తుంది. అయినా కూడా కష్టపడరా? ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఏమో 24 hours కష్టపడతారు. దేనికోసం కష్టపడుతుంది? ఆ మార్క్స్ ఎక్కడ యూజే కావు. ఇప్పుడు 960 మార్క్స్ మీకు ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతాయి నాన్న? 900 ప్లస్ 90% ఉంటుంది ఇంటర్మీడియట్. మీకు ఇక్కడ జాబ్ వస్తే అక్కడ మీకు ఒక దానికి సార్థకత ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు జాబ్ రాకపోతే నో యూజ్ కదా మార్క్స్ కూడా. ఆ జాబ్ మీకు 1 month రెడీగా ఉంది. ఆల్రెడీ అనౌన్స్డ్ సిటిఎస్ ఓపెన్ క్యాంపస్ డ్రైవ్, టీసీఎస్ ఓపెన్ క్యాంపస్ డ్రైవ్, September 1st week or 2nd week Wipro drive, that is also open campus drive. All are eligible throughout India. All are eligible. 10 backlogs, 20 backlogs, 30 backlogs, all are eligible. They want only knowledgeable students, but at the time of joining you must clear all subjects. ఓకే, మీ కర్మ మీరు ఎవరు చేయట్లేదమ్మా. నాన్న మీరు చేయకపోతే నేను కూడా స్టాప్ చేస్తా సెషన్. నాకు కూడా అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే నాన్న ఐఎమ్ కంప్లీట్లీ బిజీ విత్ ఐ థింక్ మోర్ దెన్ 10 ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ నాన్న. Not only your batch, I'm completely busy with more than 10 engineering colleges in Telangana and AP, and also I'm working as a GATE faculty member. I'm completely busy ఏదో రాము సార్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తే మీకు చెప్తున్నాను. బట్ మీరు యుటిలైజ్ చేసుకోకపోతే నో యూజ్. ఎందుకంటే మీరు చూడండి, మీరు ఏం చేయకపోతే నేను ఎంతసేపు మొత్తుకున్నా వేస్ట్. నాకు డబ్బులు అవసరం లేదు నాన్న. మీకన్నా ఎక్కువ డబ్బులు వాళ్ళు నాకు ఇస్తారు. మీకు చెప్తే నేను డైలీ లాసే. నేను ఎవ్రీడే లాస్. మీకు ఎన్ని డేస్ చెప్తే అన్ని డేస్ నేను లాస్, కంప్లీట్ లాస్. మీరు చేస్తే నాకైనా సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం మజా ఉంటుంది బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఇక నేనే క్వశ్చన్ నేనే ఆన్సర్ అంటే ఎందుకు చెప్పండి ఇక దానికి అవసరం లేదు కదా. ప్లీజ్ దయచేసి సాల్వ్ చేయండి. మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి నా బాధ. నేనన్నా వేరే ఫ్యాకల్టీ లాగా చెప్తాను. ఏముంది చెప్పండి, ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ ఎనఫ్. 10 మినిట్స్‌లో మమ్మ అనిపిస్తది. అయిపోయిందంటే ఏం చేస్తాను నాన్న? ఏం చేయలేరు మీరు నన్ను. యెస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ అంట. కానీ అది కాదు నాన్న. మీరు మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తే నేను మీకు మీకు రావాలి, మైండ్‌లోకి నేను రావాలి. అరే సార్ మీరు ఎంత సింపుల్‌గా చెప్పారు. ఈ పేపర్ ఎంత ఈజీగా ఉందని ఫీల్ కావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ మై టార్గెట్ నాన్న. మీరు అడగండి. మీరు మీరు వర్ధమాన్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐఆర్ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్, కర్నూలు జీపీ సెట్ రవీంద్ర స్టూడెంట్స్, తిరుపతి ఎస్వి కాలేజ్, ఎస్విపి సెట్ కాలేజ్ శ్రీరామ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఒంగోల్ రైజ్ కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ హైదరాబాద్ శ్రేయాస్ కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మీరు వీళ్ళు అడగండి అమ్మా అబౌట్ మై సెషన్స్. నేను ఈ కాలేజ్ కానీ రెగ్యులర్ విజిటింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్. రెగ్యులర్ నేనే టీచ్ చేస్తాను ఈ కాలేజ్లో. ఐఎమ్ పర్మనెంట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ పర్పస్. ఓకే నాన్న, ప్లీజ్ మీరు చేయండి. దయచేసి సాల్వ్ చేస్తేనే మన ఈజీ నాన్న. బికాస్ దట్ మోడల్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫినిష్డ్ కదా. రైట్ చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ నాన్న థర్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సీత కెన్ కంప్లీట్ ఏ వర్క్ ఇన్ 10 days. సీత ఎలోన్ వర్క్ ఓన్లీ గివెన్ అమ్మా. ఏ గీత నాన్న, గీత ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 25% more. More means 100 plus nana. That is directly 125 by 100. 125 by 100 means 100 by 125 because work inversely proportional to the time. Into Sita. Sita work is equal to 10 days. Sita work is equal to 10 days. Vinandi direct nana. Geeta is equal to 125% of Sita. 125 by 100. But work inversely proportional to the time. Here 125 by 100 inverse 100 by 125 into Sita. Sita 10 days. That is clearly given. Here next 25 into 4, 25 into 5. Here 5 into 2. Then Geeta work is equal to 8 days. Nana. Similarly, find out is equal to Rita work. Rita work is equal to 60% more. More means 100 plus 60 and 160. And inversely 100 by 160 into Geeta, where Geeta is equal to 8. Yeah, next similarly, a 0 0 cancel. A 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 2 into 5. The Rita work is equal to 5 days. Nana. Rita work is equal to 5 days. A Sita work is equal to 10 days. Geeta work is equal to 8 days. Rita work is equal to 5 days. Nana. Yeah, next A plus B plus C. Yeah, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 5. Yeah, next LCM is equal to 40. Numerator is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 17 by 40. One day work is equal to 17 by 40. Whole work is equal to 40 by 17. Here 40 by 17 is equal to 2 6 by 17. Option A only correct. Very simple. Option A only correct. ఓకేనా. చూడండి ఈ మెథడ్ మీకు చెప్పాను కదా క్లియర్గా. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి, ఓన్లీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కదా నాన్న. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కదా. ఎస్ వినండి, మళ్ళీ వినండి ఒకసారి. ఎస్ వినండి అమ్మా. ఇక్కడ చూడండి గీత నన్ను చూడండి. దిస్ మీరు చూడండి ఇన్ బ్రాకెట్ చూడండి. గీత ఈజ్ 25% మోర్ అమ్మా. మోర్ అంటే పర్సంటేజ్, యాక్చువల్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 100. మోర్ అంటే 100 ప్లస్ అన్నట్టు. అంటే గీత ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 125% అంటే 125 100 ఇంటూ సీత అన్నట్టు. బట్ వర్క్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ద టైమ్ అంటే 100 by 125 నాన్న. ఇక్కడ చూడండి లెస్ అంటే 100 మైనస్, మోర్ అంటే 100 ప్లస్ అన్నట్టు. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ ఏం అప్లై చేయండి, వర్క్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ద టైమ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ అన్నట్టు. ఓకే ఎస్ క్లియర్ కదా. థర్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకేనా. థర్డ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సొల్యూషన్. దిస్ ఈస్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ టీసీఎస్ నింజా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అమ్మా. దిస్ ఈస్ టీసీఎస్ 2021 బ్యాచ్ పేపర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాన్న. That's simple. Here important only calculation. Logic very simple. Logic is work inversely proportional to the time. That is the logic. Okay, right nana. Yeah, next nana fourth example nana. Next fourth example nana. Please all of you listen. Fourth example easy nana. Right vinandi. Right fourth example nana. ఈజీ మెథడ్ రాయండి డైరెక్ట్లీ a is equal to 1 by 3 into b. Let a is equal to x, then b is equal to 3x. Second statement, a and b, no, no, a and b pipes together can fill the tank. A and b means a plus b. A plus b 1 minute is equal to 1 by 9. A 1 day work is equal to 1 by x. B 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 9. LCM is equal to 3x. Numerator is equal to 3 plus 1. Next, x is equal to 3 into 1, 3 into 3. Next, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. Therefore, A work is equal to 12. B work is equal to 36. Your question is slower pipe. Slower pipe is equal to B. Faster pipe is equal to A. Slower pipe B only 36 only correct answer. 36 minutes only correct answer. Once again, easy method. Directly A is equal to 1 by 3 into B. Let A is equal to X. Then B is equal to 3x. Second statement, a plus b 1 minute is equal to 1 by 9. A 1 minute, b 1 minute, a plus b 1 minute. Find x. A is equal to x 12 minutes. Then b is equal to 3x. 3 into 12 is equal to 36 minutes. Option B only correct. This is about type number 3. This model only important to TCS Ninja. But type 3 important only. Example 4 important. Example 3 important. Remaining questions are very easy. This is called efficiency concept. Efficiency concept. Okay, right, Amma. Next, type number 4, Amma, please. Next, type number 4, Amma. Type number 4. Type number 4, Amma. Okay, type number 4. Type number 4. In bracket, remaining work, Nana. Right, heading, type number 4. Again important to TCS, in bracket remaining work, in bracket remaining work, remaining work 1 minus is called remaining work. In time and work, total work always consider only 1 minus is called remaining work, nana. Okay, yes, please write solution, nana. First example easy, right? First example easy, right? Method, a plus b 1 day work is equal to a plus b 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 3 by 20 is equal to 3 by 20. A next statement, a and b working together for 2 days. The a plus b working together for 2 days, then a 2 days work, a 1 day work is equal to 3 by 20. 2 days work is equal to 2 into 3 by 20 is equal to 3 by 10. The A and B 3 by 10 of the work completed. Remaining work is equal to total minus total 1 minus 3 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. Option D only correct. Once again, easy method. First statement, A work 10 days, B work 20 days, A and B working for 2 days, A plus B 1 day work, A plus B 2 days work. Next, remaining work is equal to 1 minus 3 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. Option D only correct. Okay, yes, no. First example, right? Second example, please. Second example, easy. Second example, Anna. Second example, please. 1 minute, all of listen. But easy method. Anna, A work 10 days, B work 6 days, B worked 88 for 4 days. Nana. The first calculate B 4 days work. The B 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. Next, B 4 days work is equal to 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. A next remaining work is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. A 1 by 3 of the work A can complete it dash days. A remaining work is equal to 1 by 3. into A capacity. A capacity is equal to 10. 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3. Option A only correct. Once again, B 1 day work, B 4 days work. The B only completed 2 by 3 of the work. Remaining work 1 by 3. Remaining work A can complete it dash days. Remaining work is equal to 1 by 3 into A capacity 10. 1 by 3 into 10 is equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 3. Option A only correct. Okay, second. Next, third one important. Yes, please. 1 minute, all of you read the problem. Yet, this is called third example. Yet third one, fourth one, fifth one. These three only important to TCS Ninja. First one, second one, reference questions using remaining work. That questions are very simple. Here important only third, fourth, fifth. These three examples only important to TCS company. Out of these three questions, one question guarantee either type 3 or type 4. By using these two models, one question in TCS Ninja, one question chain rule property. Total 2 marks in your exam. Okay? Yes, third Nana. Third example, please. Third example. Third example, Nana. Please, 1 minute, all of you read the problem. Please, chadavandi. 1 minute, all of you read the problem. Yes, third question. 1 minute, all of you read the problem, please. Third question, 1 minute, all of you read the problem. Okay? And third question is my duty. Fourth question and fifth question, that is your duty. Please. నేను మీరు చేయకపోతే స్కిప్ చేస్తాను. అందుకే జాగ్రత్త వినండి. మీకు ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ అడగండి, నేను క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. డౌట్స్ నాకు క్లియర్ అడగండి, నేను క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. కానీ రిమైనింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు చేయాల్సిందే. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డ్యూటీ. మీరు చేయకపోతే స్కిప్ చేస్తాను నేను. ఓకే? ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ లీజన్. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ మై డ్యూటీ. Fourth and fifth, that two questions, remaining two questions, your duty. Because these three questions only important to TCS company. ఈ మూడు ఈ త్రీలో వన్ క్వశ్చన్ గ్యారంటీ. జాయింట్ పేపర్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఈ త్రీ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో వన్ క్వశ్చన్ గ్యారంటీ, వన్ మెథడ్ గ్యారంటీ. ఓకే? ఎస్, జాగ్రత్త వినండి అమ్మ, వినండి. సింపుల్ చూడండి. సేమ్ మెథడ్ అమ్మ, బట్ డోంట్ రైట్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఎబో. లాజిక్ సేమ్ బట్ నాట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, రైట్. ఈయన total number of days nana. Suppose total number of days consider is equal to x days nana. జాగ్రత్త వినండి, x days nana. Next, a work is equal to nana. A work is equal to x days. A working up to x days nana. Next, b work is equal to up to x days. అంటే a and b వాళ్ళు up to x days వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను. But c work is equal to, c work is equal to after 2 days c also joined them అన్నాడు. అంటే ఇక్కడ మీనింగ్ ఏంటిది? సి వర్క్ ఈజ్ 2 days లెస్ దెన్ ఏ అండ్ బి నాన్న. సి వర్క్ ఈజ్ 2 days లెస్ దెన్ ఏ అండ్ బి అంటే సి వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 2 నాన్న. ఇది మెథడ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. చూడండి, ఫైండ్ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ నాన్న. అంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్. ఏ అండ్ బి వర్కింగ్ అప్ టు ఎక్స్ డేస్, బట్ సి వర్క్ ఈజ్ 2 days లెస్ దెన్ ఏ అండ్ బి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 2 నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ మీరు చూడండి, ఏ 1 day వర్క్ అమ్మ. ఏ 1 day వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/18. ఏ ఎక్స్ డేస్ వర్క్ అంటే x/18. బి 1 day వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/9. బి ఎక్స్ డేస్ వర్క్ x/9. సి 1 day వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/6. సి x - 2 days వర్క్ x - 2/6. In time and work, a plus b plus c is equal to 1, then your answer completed because a total work is equal to 1. This is a method. Only one step answer. But question lengthy, but answer is very simple. Once again, this type of questions are given. Consider total work is equal to x days nana. But above information, condition given only c but not a. Then a and b working up to x days nana. But C work is 2 days less than A and B. Then C work is equal to x minus 2. A next method. A 1 day work, A x days work. B 1 day work, B x days work. C 1 day work, C x minus 2 days work. In time and work, A plus B plus C is equal to 1. Then answer completed. A remaining part only simplification. LCM is equal to 18. Numerator is equal to x plus 2x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 1. next 6x is equal to 24. X is equal to 4. Option C only correct. A remaining part only simplification. A important only x by 18, x by 9, x by 2, x minus 2 by 9, x minus 2 by 6. This is only important to your exam. A remaining part is simplification by using LCM. LCM is equal to 18. Numerator 6x minus 6 by 18 is equal to 1. 6x is equal to 24. X is equal to 4. X is nothing but total number of days, that is equal to 4. Option C only correct. This is about third example solution. Is clear, Nana, or any doubts, please? Third question method clear, or any doubts? Hello? Yes, third example, Anna. Third example, please. Can you respond about third example solution? Third example solution. Here, fourth one and fifth one, remaining two questions are depending same logic. Depending same logic. Depending same logic. Okay? Right. Next, fourth example, number 4, Nama. Yes, please. Fourth example. Yes, fourth example, Anna. Fourth example, same method. Method same. Fourth example, method same. Method same. Method same. Fourth example. Method same. Yes, what is the answer? And fourth one. Fourth one, what is the answer? Yes, speed. Speed. Yes, Nana, same. Yes, 1 minute only. 1 minute completed. Please, same logic, Nana. Yes, please write answer. Total number of hours X, Nana. Total number of hours X, Nana. Then P, then George time, Nana. Then George time. George time, Nana. George time. George time only 2 hours. That is clearly given. All the persons are working at 9 a.m. George closed 11 a.m. 9 to 11. George working time only 2 hours. Next, Paul and Hari. Paul and Hari time condition not given. Works up to X hours. And Paul works is equal to X. Hari is equal to X, Nana. Yes, please. Once again, all of you listen. This is important. Same method. But important. Total is equal to X, Nana. George work is equal to 2 hours. George time 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. working only 2 hours. A Paul time only X. Hari work only X, Nana. A next method, a George time 1 hour is equal to 1 by 8. 2 hours is equal to 2 by 8, Nana. Next to Paul, 1 hour is equal to 1 by 10, x hours is equal to x by 10. Hari, 1 hour is equal to 1 by 12, x hours is equal to x by 12 is equal to 1. Yeah, next here find is equal to x, Nana. X means, Nana, find x approximately 4 hours. Simplification, x approximately 4 hours. Therefore, time, starting time is equal to 9 o'clock plus x hours. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 13 is called 1 p.m. Option B only correct. Once again, fourth example also easy method, but important only. All the three of them start working at 9 a.m. and while George stops at 11 a.m., George working time only 2 hours and 1 hour is equal to 1 by 8, 2 hours. A Paul and worry working up to x hours, x by 10 plus x by 12 is equal to 1. Here find the x approximate only, but not exactly. X is equal to 4 hours. Therefore, time is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. 13 means 1 p.m. Option B only correct. Okay. Yes, Nana. Fourth example important. Next, Nana. Fifth example, Nana. Same method, please, Nana. Fifth example, same method. Right answer. Let total number of days is equal to x. Let total number of days is equal to x. Then a work is equal to x days. A work is equal to x days and B work is equal to x minus 5. You check that point. A and B working together, but 5 days before completion of the work, B leaves off. And B work is 5 days less than A. And A is equal to x days, B is equal to x minus 5. 5 days before completion of the work, B leaves off. And A work is 5 days more than B. B work is 5 days less than A. Less than indicate minus operator. A next method, x by 10, next x minus 5 by 15 is equal to 1. In this equation, find out is equal to x. X is equal to 8. Option D only correct. Option D only correct. This model only important to your exam. A logic only important. Remaining part only simplification. Yes, fourth one answer option D. And fifth one answer option D, fourth one option B, third one option C. Here first question, second question easy method, but this is concept of the topic. But third, fourth, fifth, these three examples only important to placements. That too, you prepare only TCS Ninja. That pattern only important. No need to prepare. No need to prepare AMCAD and Koki based companies. You have to prepare only TCS Ninja only. Okay, right, Nana. Your next last model type 5 general concept amma. Okay, easy. Type number 5, Nana, please. Type number 5. First note. Type number 5 note. R means equal symbol, but time and work. R means equally to. Next, and means plus symbol. In time and work, R means equally to, and means plus operator. In an first statement, or means equal to, that means 6 men 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24. 1 man 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24 into 6. Similarly, 10 women 1 day work is equal to 1 by 24. 1 woman 1 day work is equal to 1 by 240. A 6 men 1 day work, 1 man 1 day work, 10 women 1 day work, 1 woman 1 day work. These two substitute the given condition. Here and means plus operator. 12 men plus 10 women. A 12 into 1 man is equal to 1 by 24 into 6 plus 10 women. 1 woman is equal to 1 by 240. A remaining part only simplification is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24 is equal to 3 by 24 is equal to 1 by 8. 1 day work is equal to 1 by 8. Whole work is equal to 8 days. Option A only correct. A type 5 simplification, or means equally to, and means plus symbol. 6 men 1 day work, 1 man 1 day work, 10 women 1 day work, 1 woman 1 day work. These two substitute the given condition. That is your answer. Here or means separated. 6 men 1 day work, 10 women 1 day work. You can consider two parts. Or means equally to, 6 men is equal to 10 women. That is the logic. Okay. Yes, Nana. Yeah, next, second example, Amma, please. Second example, Nana, please. All of you listen. Second example, easy, Nana. A second example, first equation, 2 men plus 3 women is equal to 1 by 4. RHS convert into a inverse method. And second statement 4 men plus 5 women is equal to 1 by 2. Second equation solving method, a two equations, two unknowns, a calculate one man and one woman. These two substitute the given condition. That condition 10 men plus 5 women. This is equal to answer. Second example solution is equation solving method, but RHS convert into a inverse method, but not 2m plus 3 women is equal to 4. That is not correct. Here equation solving method, first equation 2 men plus 3 women 1 by 4, 4 men plus 5 women 1 by 2. Two equations, two unknowns. Find men and women. These two substitute the given condition. That is your answer. This is about second example solution. Important only simplification. Equation solving method. Amma. Yeah, yes, last example. Anna. Then this topic completed. A third example important. A third example is belongs to work and wages. Nana. Work and wages concept. Please all of you listen. Here Akanksha work is 6 days. Vasudha work 5 days. Total amount is equal to 660. Here calculate is equal to share of Vasudha. Okay, in a method randi. Here Akanksha is to Vasudha is equal to, always convert into a inverse method. 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5, but not 6 is to 5. That is method is not correct. Except time and work, other topics that ratio 6 is to 5, but not in time and work. Here 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5 is equal to 5 is to 6 ratio. Here calculate is equal to Vasudha share. Vasudha share is equal to, Vasudha is equal to 6 parts. Denominator is equal to total parts into amount is equal to 660. A 6 by 11, 6 by 11 into 660 is equal to 360. Option D only correct. This is about wages concept. Again same logic. Pipes concept to wages concept. These two are depending only time and work concept. Once again, first one convert into ratio. 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5 is equal to 5 is to 6. Total amount given. Calculate Vasudha share. Vasudha is equal to 6. Denominator is equal to total is equal 11. 6 by 11 into 660 is equal to 360. Option D only correct. Option D only correct. This is about type number 5. I think type number 5 very easy. You more concentrate only type 2, type 3, type 4. That 3 models only important to placements. Nana. First type, last type easy. Just you more concentrate only 2, 3, 4. These 3 models only important to campus placements. Nana. But once again, all of you listen. If you want to AMCAT based companies, just you prepare only AMCAT based exam. You prepare only type 1 and type 2. For TCS Ninja, you prepare only type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, completed. Yet today covered probability and also time and work. Once again, please all of listen. Please verify all the problems in probability, all the problems in time and work, all the methods in time and work. Please ask me any doubts regarding these two topics, Nana. Here once again, permutations, combinations and probability completed in quant, time and work completed in quant. Second, reasoning ability, calendar only completed. Three topics only completed in aptitude. Okay? Yes. But three important topics completed. Lengthy topics completed. Yes. Any doubts, Nana? Yes, please. I will give 1 minute time. Please verify all the all the problems in probability and also time and work. Lokesh, second uh, second question. Second question is in you see second question logic. Just equation solving method amma. 2 men plus 3 women is equal to 1 by 4. 4 men plus 5 women is equal to 1/2. ఇక నెక్స్ట్ తెలుసు కదా నాన్న, మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఉమెన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి, నెక్స్ట్ మెన్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయండి, 1 ఉమెన్ 1 మెన్, దీస్ టు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ద గివెన్ కండిషన్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వింగ్ మెథడ్ అమ్మ, జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వింగ్ మెథడ్. టైప్ 1 ఫోర్త్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నేను అది శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి 2 టైమ్స్ చెప్పాను కదా, రామ్ సుభాష్ కూడా సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాడు. దట్ టైమ్ ఆల్సో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సొల్యూషన్. ఎస్, యు సీ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, దట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ కదా నాన్న. శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి, A is assisted by B and C on every third day. ఎవ్రీ థర్డ్ డేకి 3 పర్సన్స్ మాత్రమే వర్క్ చేస్తానా. ఫస్ట్ 2 days ఓన్లీ ఏనే వర్క్ చేస్తాడు. అంటే మీరు ఏం చేయండి, ఏ 1 day వర్క్, ఏ 2 days వర్క్. థర్డ్ డే వర్క్ కెపాసిటీ A plus B plus C 1/10. టోటల్ 3 days కెపాసిటీ 1/10 plus 1/10 1/5. అంటే 1/5కి 3 days, 1కి డాష్ డేస్ 15 days. దట్స్ ఎనఫ్ శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి, ఈజీ. ఓకే, ఎస్, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ నానా? మా నాన్న మీరు చూడండి, ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ టార్గెట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్సే. అమ్మ దయచేసి సాల్వ్ చేయండి నాన్న. మీరు చేయకపోతే నేను క్లాస్ తీసుకొని వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మై టైం ఆల్సో వేస్ట్. ఇక నేనే క్వశ్చన్ నేనే ఆన్సర్ ఎందుకు నాన్న? మీకు ఆల్రెడీ మెటీరియల్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను, ప్రిపేర్ కండి మీరే. మీరు చేస్తానంటే నేను చెప్తాను, ఎందుకంటే మీరు చేస్తేనే మీకు ఈజీ నాన్న. మీకు బెనిఫిట్ కావాలి, నాకు కాదు బెనిఫిట్. మీకు నాన్న, మీకు అల్టిమేట్గా మీకు జాబ్ రావాలి. ఎట్లా వస్తే చెప్పండి, అంటే మీరు ట్రై చేస్తే మీకు ఈజీ నాన్న. మీరు ఒకటే యువర్ టార్గెట్, ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ సొల్యూషన్, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ఆన్సర్. యువర్ డ్యూటీ జస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఓన్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆప్షన్స్ ఆల్సో గివెన్, 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఆల్సో గివెన్. యూ హెవ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ వెదర్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. నాకు కొంచెం బూస్ట్ ఉంటుంది నాన్న. లేదు చూడండి, నేను 2 hours నేనే క్వశ్చన్ నేనే ఆన్సర్, నేనే క్వశ్చన్ నేనే ఆన్సర్ అంటే నాకు కూడా బోర్ వస్తుంది కదా నాన్న. నేను మీలాగనే కదా, నేను కూడా మనిషినే కదా నాన్న. ఇక నేనే 2 hours క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలంటే నాకు డబ్బులు వస్తాయి నాన్న. కానీ ఎందుకు చెప్పండి ఆ డబ్బులు? నో యూజ్ కదా. నేను సాటిస్ఫై కావాలి, మీరు సాటిస్ఫై కావాలి. బోత్ బెనిఫిట్ అయినప్పుడు కొంచెం మనం చెప్పి సార్థకత ఉంటుంది. ఇక లేకపోతే ఎందుకు నాన్న? ఓన్లీ డబ్బుల కోసం అయితే వేస్ట్ కదా నాన్న. ఎన్ని పనులు ఎప్పుడు డబ్బుల కోసం అంటే ఏమైనా చేయొచ్చు మనం, నాట్ ఓన్లీ టీచింగ్ కదా. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ మై ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆల్సో. మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది చేయండి, అందరూ చేయండి. మీరు ఏం చూడండి, హార్డ్లీ ఒక 5 to 6 మెంబర్స్ చేస్తున్నారు అంతే. ఒక 5 మెంబర్స్ రెగ్యులర్ టచ్లో 5 to 6 మెంబర్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంటే వీళ్ళకి మాత్రమే జాబ్ కావాలి, మరి మిగతా వాళ్ళు మీరు అటెండ్ కాకండి. నో నీడ్ టు జాయిన్ దిస్ సెషన్. తర్వాత మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ నుంచి మీరు కలెక్ట్ చేసుకునే మెటీరియల్, దట్స్ ఎనఫ్ కదా. మీరు జాయిన్ అయ్యారంటే యూ మస్ట్ రెస్పాండ్. ఓకే నాన్న, అలా ఉంటేనే నా సెషన్ కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. లేకపోతే నేను అందరిలాగా అయితే మమ్మ అనిపోయానన్నా. నేను దట్ ఈస్ హైలీ ఇంపాసిబుల్. మీరు కాంట్లో అడగండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ని అడుకోండి. మీకు అయితే ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈవెన్ చేబ్రోల్ కాలేజ్ ఆల్సో, గుంటూరు. ఆస్క్ యువర్ సీనియర్స్ అబౌట్ మై సెషన్స్. నేను అలానే చెప్తాను, అలానే మెయింటైన్ చేస్తాను. మీరు ఈవెన్ ఏస్ అకాడమీ ఆల్సో, గేట్ క్లాసెస్ ఆల్సో. Okay, Nana, I think yesterday material and this material I'll forward to your WhatsApp group, Nana. These two are only pending. Combinations, probability, time and work. These 2 PPTs only pending. These 2 PPTs I will forward to your WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. Thank you everyone.